Hi everyone, welcome to SewSpark Studio. My name is Paula. I love to sew and I love teaching, and I've been sharing my passion with middle and high school students for many years. I've decided to begin a new online journey and share that passion with you as well. So I'll be making videos about all aspects of sewing. If you've never sewn before and you want to learn how, there will be videos for that. If you know how to sew and you want to develop your skills further, there will be videos on that. I'll be doing a glossary of sorts that shows different specific sewing techniques, but I'll also be making garments and showing how those techniques fit into different types of garment construction. I'll also be showing how to do some basic alterations, perhaps upcycling and recycling fabrics and garments, as well as quilting, which happens to be a particular passion of mine, and all sorts of other types of crafts as well. I hope to include your suggestions and questions at some point too. In the process, I hope you will come to love sewing as much as I do.